Here is how to make a flashlight system in Unity. On your player game object, create a spotlight as a child object. Move it to the player's head position. Now create a new C# script. You can adjust the light's range, spot angle, and intensity here. Inside the script, get a light component. Since we want a flickering effect, define the minimum and maximum light intensity. Also define how fast the light flickers. We'll also create a variable called target intensity to store the next intensity value. At the beginning, set it to the maximum intensity. Instead of instantly jumping between brightness values, the flashlight smoothly fades toward a random intensity using Mathf.Lerp. Once it gets very close to the current target intensity, it picks a new random value between the minimum and maximum intensity. This process repeats every frame, creating a natural-looking flickering effect instead of a harsh blinking effect. If your scene isn't dark, you won't be able to see the flashlight effect very clearly. So let's make the scene darker. Go to Window, Rendering, Lighting. Under Environment, set Source to Color. Change the ambient color to a darker color. Then decrease the intensity multiplier and click Generate Lighting. If the scene is still too bright, you can also reduce the brightness of your directional light, make its color darker, or even darken the fog color. And here is the final result.